Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. I'll keep this video really short. As you can see, we're experiencing a tiny bit of, scorch marks, heat press marks, whatever you want to call it. The reason we're experiencing this is the first time that we print on polyester with a Teflon pillow. Now, a Teflon pillow is going to be really good to get inside of those polos, those jackets, if you got a zip-up hoodie, whatever you're printing on that has actually off contact, the Teflon pillow helps raise it up, so it's a really good investment. The only thing I find kind of discouraging is that I didn't know that you had to, apply a bit less pressure, apply a bit less heat, and also, especially when you're pulling down on your heat press, if it's a manual one like us, you want to make sure that you apply way less pressure than usual. The reason for that, guys, is going to be leaving some scorch marks, and this is completely avoidable. What you guys can do, first of all, is just make sure that you are applying, like I said, a bit less pressure and a bit less heat than usual, something we weren't aware of. After that, you want to make sure that you do a few tests. So before I were actually to print on this, I would print on another polyester fabric, and then I would look if there were any scorch marks. And from there, I would adjust the temperature and the pressure accordingly. Now, this is something that we're learning as we go. A way to actually remove this, guys, is you can try to steam it. Now, obviously, do the proper way of steaming it. I'm not an expert in steaming clothing, but this is just something you guys can try and mitigate these scorch marks that are already there. Now, obviously, in the future, if you guys want to prevent this, like I said, the best thing is when you're using a Teflon pillow on a polyester fabric, obviously, you want to make sure to apply decent pressure, but not too much. The too much pressure is what's going to give you those scorch marks, especially. So apply medium pressure to light pressure and a bit less heat, and you guys should be good. So if you found this video somewhat helpful and you found some value in it, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.